Hey everyone, Micah here with EbikeSchool.com, and today I've got another electric moped unboxing for you guys. This time it is the SWFT MAXX. So let's get to it. Man, this one is wrapped up like a turkey. All right, now some people call these scooters, some people call them mopeds. Right now, this one was on sale for $1,500 at Best Buy. Now that price, I knew I had to get one to unbox one of these things because that's a good deal for an e-bike, let alone an electric moped. All right. Man, a lot of empty space in this box. There's our moped. Doesn't look like much yet, but the best is yet to come. Let's do the big unveiling here. There we go. Ta-da! Some interesting structure to this thing. All right, let's get some cable ties off. It's amazing how a little e-bike has 1,000 cable ties on it and a big moped has like 3 cable ties. All right, let's not lose the keys here. Ooh, now it's looking good. There's that shiny black finish. All right, and as usual, we've got giant gauge wires to untwist here. All right, do we have on the other side as well? Actually, before I completely undo these, why don't I make this easier for myself to roll it off? All right. All right, now let's see how we can roll this thing off of here. Oh. There we go. And one moped. Get that seat cover off. I'm gonna put those keys. There we go. Some mirrors, that's important. This is probably the charger. Yep, there we go, charger. Put that aside for safekeeping. And the owner's manual, what appears to be a 14 and 17 millimeter wrench. Guessing I know what to use that on. All right, mirrors on. Let's see if we can get this thing to turn on. How about that? Turning on does nothing. Maybe there's an alarm thing. Pushing the on button also does nothing. Let's see. Let's turn the key and push the on button. All right, maybe there's a cutoff down here. Here we go. That was it. All right, now let's try again. There we go. All right, all fired up. Looks like it actually came with a full battery. And let's see if we can turn off the parking. There we go, ready. All right, let's give this thing a try. All right, ooh, there we go. All right, it's got some power to it. Now it says it's only 400 watts, but I'm guessing that that's not a true 400 watts. Maybe that's like a low insurance number and the power is actually much higher, because it definitely feels like it has some giddy up and go here. But why don't we get some of this cleaned up and take it out for a little road riding? All right, so we've been riding around for the past hour or so, though I think my wife did more of the riding than I did. What do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah, you like it?
This is the one that I would want.
Yeah?
All I want
she really took a liking to this Swift MAXX scooter. And I gotta say, it's a lot of fun. The 20-mile-an-hour speed limit is probably the only real downer here. Of course, I wish it could go faster. I will say that 400 watts for the motor is probably grossly underrated. I've never seen a 400 watt motor that's that massive, and it's got good pickup, it just doesn't go that fast. You can tell you hit the 20-mile-an-hour speed limit and the power cuts off. So while I would want it to go faster, everything else is pretty awesome. I mean, it's got a nice screen, it's got full lights, blinkers, hazard lights, high beams, low beams, horn, keyless start, it's got an alarm, hydraulic brakes, or at least the front brake is hydraulic. The rear is a drum brake, but still works just fine. Storage under the seat. I mean, compared to an e-bike, there's a lot to like here. It's just got a lot of nice features. Even things like mirrors or just a larger presence on the road. You know, cars are gonna see you on this and think, oh, that's a motorcycle or a scooter. You know, he belongs to be here, as opposed to what unfortunately happens a lot with cyclists is cars see us on bikes and they see us as sort of in their turf. So a lot to like here, pretty happy. And for the price, I mean, like I said, it's I think $14.99 right now with the holiday sales still going on, but you know, with a $2,000 MSRP, still pretty awesome for what you're getting here. Last but not least, it is time to announce the winner of the giveaway from my last video. And the randomly selected commenter that will win a copy of one of my books is Miguel Zapata. So congratulations, just let me know which one of my books you'd like. You can choose from DIY Lithium Batteries, DIY Solar Power, the Ultimate Do-It-Yourself E-Bike Guide, or my newest book, The Electric Bike Manifesto. Let me know where to send it, and anybody else who wants a chance to win one of my books for free, all you have to do is put a comment down below. You can say anything you'd like, and hopefully you'll be the randomly selected commenter at the end of my next video. And for anyone who doesn't want to wait that long to hopefully win a copy of my books for free, you can always find them on Amazon. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.